Hey y'all, welcome to another vlog. Today is, what's today?
Monday,
No, it's
today,
not.
Monday, today.
Today's Tuesday, and today's a work day for me. I don't even know, how do I not know what today is? And anyway, such is life. But today is Tuesday. I'm headed to a hearing test for my job because I assist deaf or hard of hearing people with making phone calls. You want to say hey? I assist deaf and hard of hearing people with making phone calls, but that don't mean I'm trying to be one. So every year my job requires me to go get a hearing test done. So that's where I'm headed to. That shouldn't take long. And I'm kind of debating if I want to return back to work or if I just want to go ahead and take this time off. So I don't know. But yeah, we're about to head there, and I'll give you an outfit of the day. I just have on this plain basic little muscle shirt or sleeveless shirts and jeans, and I love these little sandals.
Sandals.
Y'all see what I got y'all propped up on? We beginners, but it's okay. And this is my son's tent. Yeah. So, all right, we get ready to head out the door.
Some tits.
That's your tent? That's not your tent?
That's my tit.
Oh, let me go cut this stuff off back here.
I
So we can have. Do you have your shoes on the right foot? And you don't. Fix them, please. So let me cut this off. That's fine. All right. Please put them on the correct foot. Let me grab me something to drink. How's your day going, guys? Yes, my son is playing hooky from school today, but only because I knew I had to go get this test and I wasn't going to be home to get him off the bus, so I went and grabbed him early. You ready? Thank you. Let's go. Come on. It's a beautiful day. Uh-oh.
For this.
That's a cup holder.
Yeah, my cup holder.
Let me tell y'all something that really grinds my gears, right? I do not like when I'm driving, right? And we're flowing. It really irks me when people like stop at the yellow light. I can understand like if somebody from the opposite direction is trying to turn and you want to stop and be polite to let them, turn. But the light is green. As soon as the light turned yellow, they stopped in front of me. Why? Yellow means slow down. Red means stop. So if the light is yellow and nobody trying to bust a turn, if I'm not feeling polite, or courteous, I'm finna go through the yellow light because that's what it's for. It's for you to slow down. And we were at the longest light in the city. Y'all just shaking. We were at the longest light. And I'm already crushed for time. So, yeah. That really be getting on my nerve. And I wish I would have left a little earlier because I want to stop to Dunkin' Donuts. I got this green tea and watermelon drink, which this is good. But Dunkin' Donuts, they have these refreshers. You can either get them made with lemonade or green tea. And I always get mine made with green tea. I like the raspberry watermelon one. Oh my God, I want one so bad. And drinking this makes me want to go get it even more, but I'm not. Because last week, we got one every day, didn't we, Jay?
Yeah.
He likes his with lemonade. And my older kids, they like theirs. Well, Elijah, my oldest son, he likes his with green tea. My daughter, Todd, she likes hers with lemonade. Because the green tea does have a little different taste. But Pop, which one do you like? The lemonade or the green tea one? Or do you like both of them?
Both of them.
Yeah. He don't care, child. He just be wanting to get something. And what else do you like to get from Dunkin' Donuts when we go get the green tea drinks?
Blueberry kind.
The what? Blueberry kind of what?
The blueberry kind juice.
The blueberry juice?
Mm-hmm.
What blueberry juice?
The blueberries.
You just making up stuff. Cause what? Blueberry? You get the blueberry little donut holes. That's what I thought you were gonna say. Anyway, Why you not at school? You playing hooky today? But yeah, we still, I got about 7 more minutes before I'm there. So hopefully we make it on time. Now we stuck behind some tractors. So that's going even slower. But it's okay. Because we're not going to rush. We're going to get there. We're going to make sure we are there safe. Because what, Jay? Safety what?
Safety first.
Exactly. So we're going to be there. And we got another red light. All right, I'll see y'all when we get there. You did what?
What over my door to hurt they car.
You think your door would hit the car?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so.
But they too close to us.
They too close? You got space. You got space. Come on.
I know that. I didn't know how to get car.
Hello. Finally finished with the hearing test, y'all. That lady told me I had the best hearing that ever came through the doors, but of course it's a hearing aid place, so the people that come in there, majority of them have hearing issues, where there's me and, you know, a few of my other coworkers. We only come in there because it's required by our job. So of course I have good hearing. If I'm trying to help those that can't hear, we both can't be struggling, you know. But yeah, but really I don't even help people that can't hear anymore. I deal with people that have like stuttering issues or cerebral palsy and other speech impairments. I help them, like I relay for them, I revoice for them. So, but I guess that's still, I still need to hear good because I have to hear what they say, you know. So where you want to go now, Jay? Because we really don't have anything to do. I guess I'll go back home and work the last little 30 minutes of my shifts. And then I need to go to take my granny her birthday gift. I got her a foot massager for her birthday. And I got one too, and I love it. So I hope she enjoys it just as much as I do, because I absolutely love mine. Are you hungry? No, me neither. It's such a beautiful day outside today. It's 94 degrees. And at the hearing, you know what? Not to just keep complaining about stuff that I don't like, but have you ever, as a black female, I guess it's already, you know, we already have the stigma of having bad attitudes. So what I noticed is when I walk into places that are run by Caucasians, let's just be real, I tend to realize that I will get treated differently until they start talking to me and realize like I'm nice. And you know I have resting bitch face. I know I have it, but when you start talking to me, I'm like the most friendliest person, for real. So we were sitting there. First, when we walked in, I'm gonna insert the clip. We walked in, she did not speak. I said something to her, then she spoke. But probably like 5 minutes later, a white man walks in and she's, hey, how you doing? How can I help you today? And I was just looking at her like, bitch, I know. You seen us, you know, like, what? I just don't like that. And it's not all, I stay in Georgia, so, you know, it's very much so a thing down south. But it's just funny to me because as we're walking out and they're going over my hearing test results and their job needs to go ahead and start paying you more money because your hearing is negative this, negative that, positive, amazing. Oh my gosh, it's the best hearing I've seen in a long time. Okay, but you didn't even want to speak to me when I was. Now all of a sudden, my son is so adorable and y'all girl, you ain't even look at my baby when we walked in the door. You didn't even speak to us or anything. And it's just weird because that's not the only place that I have had that happen to me. It's a lot of places, but you know, I'll try not to let stuff like that ruin my day. It's just always funny to me because I don't judge black, white, pink, brown, orange, yellow, green. I'm gonna treat everybody with respect, and I'm gonna treat, like they say, you treat the CEO with the same respect that you do the janitor. I'm just I treat people the way that I would want to be treated. So when I walk in the room, I'm going to speak. I'm going to say, yes, ma'am, no, ma'am, yes, sir, no. I have manners. And I know maybe it's because I'm a little Southern Sweet Belle, you know, a little Southern little peach. But I'm just very polite, even down to my kids. I teach my kids to say, yes, ma'am, no, ma'am. You speak. Like when my son, when he gets on the bus, we say good morning to Miss Linda, don't we, Jay?
Yeah.
We say good morning when we get on the bus. And she always says how my son is so mannerable and so polite, because it starts at home. You train your kids so that they grow up to be mannerable adults, because manners and politeness will take you a long way in life versus having a bad attitude. People will, you know, treat you differently and be willing to help you if you're somebody that needs help, or, you know, we all need somebody, and nobody's going to want to help a negative Nancy, you know. So that's it. That's my little rant. But right now we are about to, by the time I make it home, I'm going to be logging on my computer and logging right back off, because your girl get off at 4:30 and I'm not working a minute over. Not a minute over. My appointment time took the whole full 2 hours, and it was so hot in there. How many degrees was it in there, Jay?
75.
75?
Mm-hmm.
Definitely was more than that. It was about 7,500 degrees in there, felt like to me.
100.
So hot. Like, he was sweating. And so while we're in the waiting room, it was really hot. But then when we got to the back, it's freezing. Like, but yeah, I couldn't really record taking my test in there, because, you know, I had to focus on my test because money on the line. If I fail my hearing test, baby, I gotta look for another job. So we had to be focused, you know. So I'm gonna head home, finish this little shift. I'm gonna call my granny and see if she is at home, so I can go ahead and run her this gift, because I have to pick up Elijah and Tiana from church at 8 o'clock. They went to Six Flags today for a teenage trip, which I'm so grateful, because I haven't been going to church like I should, but my grandmother goes. Yes, baby?
You forgot to get my medicine.
We sure do. We're on the way to get your medicine. I'm so glad. High five, my boy. I'm so glad you reminded me, because I sure did forget. But we're about to go get it now, because my man reminded me. My man at that now. But I need to pick them up. But yeah, I haven't been going like I should. But pre-COVID, I was there Sundays, even some Wednesdays. But COVID came and I done got lazy. It's so much more convenient for me to go to church online. So I'm just grateful and thankful that my kids were able to experience that, even though my grandmother is a very active member in the church. So, you know, they up under her wing. Oh, I should have went the other way to get some Dunkin' Donuts that I really don't need, because I really need to slow down, because summer is here now, and I'm trying to look good. My friend said he want to take me to Miami for my birthday too, so I need to Miami hit a little different than Panama, so we gotta, you know, be prepared. But yeah, either way I go, to the beach gonna get what everybody I give it, and we're gonna give it beautifully. But we're about to go. I need to get over so we can go pick up my son's allergy medicine, and then I'm gonna go home, and then we're going to call my granny and see where she is at, so I can drop her off her birthday gift. And then we're just gonna chill. I'm not sure if I'm gonna cook tonight. I might cook, so I'll probably vlog what I cook for dinner. But that'll be that. So my phone is about to die. So I'm gonna let that charge up for a little bit, and then we will see you all in a minute. So bye.
Bye.
You got no choice but to get those. The last one.
With the homework, we had the man get up and had good things. Everything up, mommy. Check the rims done.
All right, y'all, we just made it back home and I just finished unbagging the groceries. So we're gonna do a quick little grocery haul. And yeah, let's get into it. All right, so I got a can of corned beef hash. I love this with some grits. It's a good time. I got a box of the Zatarain's jambalaya mix, a bag of the flaming hot cheddar and sour cream chips. This is my first time seeing these, and we're gonna try these. Some breaded zucchini sticks. I'm gonna just put these in the air fryer for a quick breakfast. Some frittatas, bacon and spinach frittatas. And then my baby wanted some ice cream, so got vanilla, chocolate, strawberry ice cream. I needed some more rice, so I got a bag of long grain rice, some milk, grapes. I'm gonna make a stir fry for dinner with some rice, so I got a bag of 3 color peppers, onions, and then another little quick breakfast for the kids in the morning, some maple pancake and sausage sandwiches. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna put this stuff up, and then I'm probably gonna get started on dinner so that I can go ahead and have that out the way. That way when I come back, I gotta get the kids at 8, it's 5. So this isn't gonna take long at all. By the time I get back from picking up the kids, they can just eat, take their showers, and then relax. Because I'm pretty sure they're going to be beat being out in the sun all day. Because it is hot here. So, yeah, I guess I'll probably record me cooking dinner. But I still need to let my phone charge because it's still beeping. So, all right, y'all. I'll catch y'all later. Oh, and before I put my phone on the charger, I just wanted to come show y'all real quick what I was talking about. What I got my granny for her birthday. It plugs in. And it's like the balls, they just rotate up under your feet on your pressure points, and this feels so good. It has the heat setting, and it's just amazing. It feels amazing. So I really hope she enjoys it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my trunk now so that I don't leave the house and forget it like I did earlier. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Some avocado oil. Let that get good and hot. And then I'm not a professional chef. I'm not gonna wear no gloves. My pot look like this because I cook. So don't come for me. We're just gonna go with the flow. And it's gonna be delicious. Delicioso. That's gonna be all I'm gonna use. So I got some complete seasoning. I'm gonna sprinkle some of that in there. Nature's seasoning, which is kind of like complete too, but why not? I'm gonna put that in there. Y'all, my son outside and I have to let my dog out with him and he don't like it. Go play, Chase. Go play. Bye. Bye. And then this is some fajita seasoning. I probably could just use this and this alone, but a little extra flavoring won't hurt. And then some black pepper. I have this. I'll see. Might not use that. This should be enough. And then the pepper. Because it's not a fajita without the pepper. Yes, baby. You coming in?
That's mommy.
You want a popsicle?
Nope.
You done outside?
It's mommy.
It's hot, isn't it?
No, it's.
Oh, go wash your hands, okay? Go that way.
Okay. I like to eat so what are you cooking?
Fajitas.
Papa?
I got it. Thank you, though.
No, Mama, the muscle bought a house.
I'm definitely not gonna burn the house. Go wash your hands good.
Mom, yes, how you built a house.
No, I didn't.
Yes, honey.
No, I didn't. You let all these gnats in here. Go wash your hands with a lot of soap.
Mom,
I'm let that sit here for a little second. Go walk this way so you don't walk the other way. Go through the other door to the kitchen. So that's what it's looking like. Just the meat and the peppers.
Mommy,
It smells good, so I hope it tastes as good as it smells, because it for sure smells like I done did something. Smell like I done did something. Sit this here. And go ahead. Do y'all wash your rice? I hope you do. If not, you need to. And I'll rinse my rice until the water runs clear. It smells good. See how milky the water looks now? You want to rinse all that out until your water is clear. You see? It looks cloudy.
Yeah, he had some.
Yeah. You need to make sure it's clear.
Yeah, for some.
Versus that. You see the difference? Let's see. If I can show you. Clear. Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna let that do its thing. I cut the owl down because it was cooking too fast. Nah.
It feels good.
Don't take your shoes off because Granny just called. We gotta go take her birthday gift. This is where we at with it so far. It smells so good, but I think Looks like it's gonna need some kind of sauce, especially since we're having it with some rice. So I guess we just gonna have beef tips and rice today. Ain't really gonna be no fajitas and rice. But guess what? It's gonna get ate. So I'm just gonna put some brown gravy. I'll mix this up real quick. And then I'm gonna turn it down some and let it just, you know, do its own little thing for a little bit. And no, I do not know how to make gravy from scratch. And no, I do not care. We're gonna see how that turn out. I feel like it's gonna be a hit. I feel like that's gonna be it. Yeah. We just gonna have beef tips and rice. I think when I put the I should have had fresh peppers and onions versus the frozen, because it made too much liquid and then it wasn't fajitas. It's giving beef tips and gravy, but the meat is tender though. Like let's see. But the rice is still working. I'm gonna cover this and give that about a good 30 minutes and then we'll be back. See, when you rinse your rice, it's gonna fluff up for you every single time, sis. Rinse that rice, okay? And if you don't know how to make rice by now, what you doing? See? This looks much better. And it's so tender. Be careful, it's hot. Cut some hair. That gravy was definitely a good idea because it looks way better. So that is dinner. Whatever you want to call this in your house, that's what you want to call it. It was just some beef tips, peppers. I threw a pack of gravy and then some rice. And that's that. I'm about to mop and sit down and eat. And that is that. That's going to be that for this vlog because I am tired. And then I still have to wait to go pick up my kids. They are coming home at 9 now instead of 8 o'clock. And Auntie be in the bed at 8:30. So that's why I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum and mop and do the things that I would normally do tomorrow on my off day so that I can just chill. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this day in my life. And I will catch you all in the next video. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out if you enjoy my content. And check out some of the other videos that I have made because I have a couple videos already up on YouTube from like a year or two ago when I first started YouTube. YouTube. But girl, I'm tired. What are you doing? If I could have the energy of a 5-year-old, I promise. I'm tired, and it is only like 7 o'clock.
I'm tired too.
You tired? No, you're not. You're pranking me. You ready to go to bed? You want to take a bath and go to bed? Yeah, that's what I thought. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I will see you all in the next one. I hope your day is going good, whatever day you see this video. I hope it's awesome, and I hope your night is even better. Thanks for watching.
And peace.
I like the bed to myself. Nobody stealing covers. I like